Alright, so what we're doing here in the paint shop tonight is we got these box Chevy parts. The engine, the transmission, the drive shaft, all the suspension pieces, and rear end. I'm going to paint them to color match the car. Alright, so I got my sealer slash base coat down. It's just a black base. I'm going to go ahead and start putting the candy coat down on top of the black. It should look really good because we did put some blue pearl in it. Kind of a little trick just to give it a little less transparency, a little better coverage, a little bit of sparkle in the end. We'll probably do that on the car when we paint it too. I'm going to mix up a little bit different base coat for that, but it's going to look really good. Alright, so now I have the DV1 clear coat gone. I'm going to put a couple coats of clear on this. I'm going to put a couple coats of clear on the valve covers I did. It should turn out really good. I am using the Glamour Clear. I really like this stuff. It gives it a real good depth, especially on the candies. So yeah, here we go. Well, I got it all cleared. It looks amazing. I'm going to grab another GoPro, do some walk around filming with the light on it so you guys can see the color. So the other night when I was painting the candy blue on this here, the GoPro's died on me and I forgot to even plug one in to charge it. And obviously we don't slow down to record, we just keep going. So what we got here is we got the assembled product on the chassis for this box. So we did like a gunmetal gray on the frame, and then we did the candy blue. As you can see, this color under the light is just so sharp, it pops so well. So I did the engine, I did the transmission, I did the drive shaft, I did the rear end housing, all the suspension parts in the rear. Now you can kind of see them all put together, and kind of how like even just different light shades on the candy really makes it pop. But like, I mean, that transmission right there is looks like $1,000,000. So we did obviously did the uppers and the lowers in the front, the spindles in the front. So, and we're doing big wheelwood brakes all the way around on this car. So I'm going to paint the calipers when that comes time. So yeah, look at that color, it pops. More on this car to come for sure. Thanks for watching. Until next time.